I think the last time I did a jigsaw puzzle was back in school, and here, me and my wife, partner in crime, did a 500 jigsaw puzzle together. A great family time, a great relaxation, a great way to communicate while sitting and watching the TV all day and watching that crap. This is a lot better and very enjoyable. It had its slight frustrating parts at times, but the whole thing was really enjoyable. It brings you back in the days when you never had a TV or you just away from all of that, just sitting on the couch and stuff, and just do puzzle games. It's good for the brain. Yes, please. I believe this used to be a British grocery shop, and you can see how the grapes just hang there, and lady just doing shopping with her son. Dog, happy dog there. Boy goes to his mom, I want an apple. It's this is lovely. Smith and Sons General Store. This is amazing, and I believe this was a photograph, and someone painted it, and then it turned to a jigsaw puzzle. This is amazing. It's from Greengrocers. What a historic, photograph turned into a painting. And it's got even frosted flakes, Kellogg's cornflakes. It's got sauces, it's even got real brands there, Sugar Puffs. These are brands which still exist today. You could see the high detail there. Absolutely fantastic. Look at this. These were the lovely times. And it's important about family. Means a lot. I really enjoyed it doing with my wife. Thank you for listening and tuning in. Cheers.